What's up guys, right here. I got a low voltage series 2 lithium battery that came in from low voltage Glowe USPS ground advantage. Yes, they ordered it from China, I guess. Chinese boxes said they had to bring them in. I was waiting for the order to come in, so I guess majority of the name brand companies now are all outsourcing to China. Everything from China now. All the top brand companies you can think of buying from China and then marking up the prices to us and selling it to us for a ton of cash, making a ton of profit. But yes, if you can't get it, you have to deal with it. Pay the price in order to get what you want, even though it's all made in China now. Nothing made in the US, unless it says made in the US and you actually see that it says made in the US, not China. But majority is all outsourced to China now. Even these batteries are coming in from China. Yep, and everybody's, now that the tariff has been applied, all those big companies, car audio companies, all those big car audio companies and other companies are all starting to cry now because they're getting a hard time getting in all their car audio stuff from China and bringing it over here and marking it up and selling it to us car audio guys. Wires, everything, all from China, but they're rebadging everything under their name. Yep, I see a lot of companies doing that now, buying from Alibaba. When I went to Alibaba and saw that stuff, saw all those subwoofers and stuff, and then it says that you can rebadge it, have it custom built and with your name on it. And then I asked those guys, I asked those manufacturers if certain companies build their subwoofers with you guys, and they said yes they do, and there are the name brand companies too that almost everybody know of. They all get their stuff from China. Yep, nothing in the US now, and they're marking it up and giving it to us for extremely high, ridiculous prices that we're paying for China made products now. But oh well, it is what it is. But anyways, enough with the talk. But low voltage series 2, let me open it up. Sorry for talking so long. Okay, got the box open. It's the bolts to mount your terminals. Okay, what's under here is the battery. Low voltage series 2. Okay. At least you got a carrying handle on here. Out. Okay. Just a second. There we go. It's the Glowe voltage series 2. Outside is plain. All plain outside. Nothing, no writing. Just this, the carry handle. those. Yep. Series 2. At least you got a case here. Yep. Yeah. Doesn't want to stay down. Something's up. Yeah. China. Should you get when you're made in China. But yep. We got 2 maximum supercapacitor banks, going to be the size of these, 500 farads, about the size of this low voltage battery coming in, and 80 amp hour LTO lithium titanate battery, and probably a little bit bigger than this, so hopefully everything fits in my new 2024 Jeep Compass Latitude 2.0 turbo. That Jeep that I just bought about 6 months ago. Yeah, brand spanking new out of the dealership. It had about 15 miles when I test drove it, but yep, it's going in there. It's a pretty small space it's going in, so I don't know if it's gonna fit, but if I can run everything, I'm just gonna run this, the LTO battery, and probably 1 maximum supercapacitor bank, and the other bank I'll just keep it and then use it for something else later. So those maximum supercapacitors last a lifetime, so you can use it for anything, so that's good. But yep, now for the talking. It's a Glowe voltage series 2. Paid $475 on the website, but yeah, here we go. Sorry about the long talk, but yeah, not too bad. Better than without a case. Yep. And comes in this. This box, but yep, so here we go, and I'm gonna be running that Defbonds Alpha Audio Defbonds Avatar Volcano series. For this, I was gonna run American Bass that I got in the other box there, that American Bass Hawk 1500 RMS 3000 peak, but instead I ended up buying that one there, 3800 RMS monster, the highest, the most expensive one that that Avatar series has. But yep.